Uh-oh. Who's winning? Oh, who's winning? All right. Amazing. Oh.
Are you getting a different card?
Yeah, you can do all kinds of them, I guess. Skye got a really hot one. What now? Oh, the white? So, Skye, did you win that one?
Yeah. Wait, no. You count us down.
Oh, okay, we'll watch. We're watching.
3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Skye. Oh, no. I mean, they go really fast. Look at that. Is that Go Big Red? Those are so fast. I think maybe Sebastian won that one. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's family participation. Oh, it's slow, huh? Oh, how funny. That yellow one looks pretty fast.